To create transparent text in Canva, start by adding your text to the canvas. Choose a bold font and make it large. Change the text color to white. Apply the lift effect from the Effects menu to the text. Download this text as a PNG image with a transparent background. Add the background image you want to show through the text. Now drag and place the text image on top of your background image. Next, go to the Apps section and search for the Blend Images app. Open the app. For the bottom layer, select the background image. For the top layer, select the text image. Choose Multiply Blend Mode. Then, click the Add to Design button.